So let's learn definite and indefinite articles. As when I teach the professions, I told you that there is a articles. I use the articles and you. That was the indefinite article. Let's learn both definite and indefinite. So basically, definite article we use when we want to describe any specific noun. Okay, just like the boy, the girl. Okay, it means I'm talking about any specific boy, any specific girl. So whenever you want to describe or talk about any specific object or any specific thing, okay, you will use la. You will use definite articles. Definite articles is la. La we use for masculine noun, la for feminine noun, L apostrophe which we use for vowel cases, and les, L-E-S, les, which we use it for plural nouns. Okay. Vowel cases like in French, we when the two vowels clashing each other, we remove the first vowel. So I put the apostrophe here because uh, L-E, this is also a vowel. L-A, this is also a vowel. So if any noun here, like after this, if the noun is vowel, then I remove the first vowel and put the apostrophe. So that's the vowel case. Okay. Le we use for masculine noun. Example I have given here. Le garçon. La feminine singular. Okay. La fille. Les plural for both gender. Les garçons. The boys. Les filles. Les filles. The girls. Okay. In the place of G, here G is a consonant here. But if any word here start with vowel like A, E, I, O, U, H, and Y, if any instead of G, is there any vowel? We use the L apostrophe cases because though vowel because two vowels are clashing each other. Okay. Same case, if there any vowel in the place of F, we use the apostrophe case. So when the two vowels clashing each other, we remove the first vowel. That was the definite article. Next is indefinite article. Indefinite article we use when we want to talk about any general thing. A boy, a girl. Just like when I taught you profession, when I teach about the profession, I say a actor, yun actress. It means I'm not talking about any specific actor or actress. I was talking about the general thing, like a actor, yun actress. Okay. So indefinite article we use for general information, general things. It is equivalent to a or an in English, and definite article is equivalent to the in English. Okay. So, we use for masculine noun, yun for feminine noun, they for plural of both genders. Okay. Un garçon, une fille, des garçons, des filles.